Hello, I got this email about a homework question in section 3.2. So I'm going to do a quick run through on how to get Statcrunch to calculate standard deviation of a sample for you. I send these videos directly to the student that asked the question, and then I'm also posting them on our Blackboard site so that they can help other students in the course. I hope you find this useful. Okay, so to calculate sample standard deviation, you're going to go ahead and open the table in Statcrunch. Before I do that, I'm going to show you where to find the instructions for this in our Blackboard site. So if you go into our site and you click on the Statcrunch How-To Guide, this is in section 3.2. So we'll start with looking directly in that section and see if it's there. So 3.2 is following the same steps to obtain measures of central tendency, which is here, 3.3. So standard deviation, we go into stat, summary stats, and then we do the various things that we want. So let's see where we are in our assignment. Okay, so we're going to go here and we're going to open it in Statcrunch, and the data is pulled into Statcrunch. The variable, the row doesn't have, the column, sorry, doesn't have a title, but that's okay. It's var1. So we'll do stat, summary stats, and then we will, I actually pick columns, so I guess I do that slightly differently than the instructions there. So I'm going to select var1. And then, since this is a sample standard deviation, I just pick standard deviation. If it's a population standard deviation, you have to go and pick unadjusted standard deviation. But so they specifically asked for the sample standard deviation, meaning that this is just a sample of data. It's not the entire population. And you can see you can also calculate the mean and the variance and all sorts of other features in here, median. And you just hit compute, and it tells you the number. So here's the standard deviation for this data set, 0.07198. And you want to make sure before you type your answer in to make sure you round it to the appropriate number of decimal places. So it says 2 decimal places, so this would be 0.07. So that's all there is to that. If you have any other questions or need any clarification on this, please reach out.